Breakfast with Bob.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Hope you all had a great week. Well, back in January, the question was posed,
Does Bob do commercial printing?
well, here we can incorporate commercial printing and a promotional product, the TekBook. This trifold piece offers you a whole lot of room to get your message out. Talk about your capabilities, talk about your brand, talk about whatever you want to talk about. Inside this piece is a custom printed microfiber cleaning cloth. If you don't like this, we can do this with mints, we can do this with earbuds, we can do this with cell phone wallets. We can even do this with a webcam cover so you can keep those prying eyes from prying when you don't want them to be prying. This piece is a great item for trade shows, sales call leave-behinds. In fact, we can even do this as a direct mail piece for you. Simply get us your list, we'll print them on there and send them out. It's a real standout item from some of the other direct mail pieces you'll find in your mailbox. Want to know more about these and thousands of other great ideas? Give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about them. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.
Breakfast with Bob.
Don't have a girl